Hello, and welcome to today's little short class. This class is for your hips and back. And so, welcome. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya. I am the founder of yogabytanya.com. So, for this class today, maybe have a couple of blocks handy. If you don't have blocks handy, no worries. Also, I just want to let you know if you want to stay consistent or you're looking for some consistency to your yoga practice, I have a 7-day yoga consistency challenge that you can join, and you can just hit the link below or go to my website, yogabytanya.com. So let's go ahead and get started on our mats today. We're just going to start here in a child's pose. So knees can be together or wide apart, hips shifting back towards your heels. If this hurts your knees, just know you can come into a puppy pose or roll to your back and hug your knees to your chest. So puppy, child's. Eyes are closed. Connecting into the breath. Just noticing the natural rhythm or flow of your breath. As you exhale, you're allowing the soft tissues to melt towards the floor. Beginning to deepen the breath into the belly. Deepening the breath into the belly and ribs. Deepening the breath into the belly, ribs, and chest. Feeling up expanding. As you exhale, you're softening into the pull of gravity. So the inhale is expansive. The exhale, you're just releasing tension. Good. And then on your next inhale, you're just lifting up into your tabletop, taking your time, letting this be smooth and easy. Knees are hip width apart. Hips are stacked over the knees. Palms are starfish hands here. Gaze is neutral between your palms. Inhale, drop in your belly, heart and gaze move forward, cow. As you exhale, round your spine, cow. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cow. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhaling to cow and exhaling cat on your own. You can continue with this movement or begin to add any other movement that feels good to the body. So there's no right or wrong here. You're just adding some movement to the spine, the hips, and the shoulders, the neck. Breath is deep and spacious. Good. And then coming to your tabletop, you're going to begin to drop to the chin, chest, belly, and then inhale, lifting the head and shoulders and the feet. Coming into locust. Elbows hug in. Gaze is down your nose. Good. Tucking your toes, pressing either through table or plank to your down dog. In your down dog, pedaling the feet, shifting the hips from side to side. Good, bending into the knees, looking to the top of the mat, walking or stepping between your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift all the way up into extended mountain. Interlace the fingers, make a pistol mudra, and as you exhale, reach to the right. Inhale through center. And as you exhale, reach to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, cactus the arms, lift the breastbone up and keep the chin tucked. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, forward fold, belly to thighs. Bending into your knees. Inhale, lifting up into chair. Shifting the weight towards the heels. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Inhale to chair. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Inhale to chair. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Inhale to chair. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Inhale to chair. Sit a little lower, shifting the hips towards the back of the mat, weight towards the heels. Then exhale, forward fold. Coming into ragdoll, just letting in the head and arms be heavy, maybe swaying side to side. Jaw releases, breath is deep. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold, plant your palms to the mat, walk or step back to your plank, drop to the knees, the chin, chest, and belly. Lifting up into locust. Maybe this time reach the fingers towards the heels. Building a little strength in our back. Gaze is down your nose. Plant your palms to the mat, tuck your toes, press to down dog. Add some movement here if that feels good. Take a deep full in breath. Stay for the exhale. Inhale the left leg long, option to bend the knees, stack the hips. And then gently step this left foot forward. Drop the back knee down. And grab your blocks here. Inhale, lifting up into your low lunge. Maybe you're going to reach the arms up into the full extension. You can cactus the arms and bring the palms to your heart. And then exhale, plant your palms to the mat. Plant the right palm down to the mat or block. Reach those left fingertips towards the ceiling. Exhale, left palm comes to the inside of your foot. Hug the knee in. The option here to roll to the knife edge of the foot. So we're staying in a high lizard lunge here. You can add some movement if that feels good. If this doesn't feel good, just back out. You can plant the foot down. Maybe even draw some circles with the knee. Just kind of working the hip joint and external rotation. Good, and then you're planting your palms to the mat, tucking that back toe, lift the knee up, step back to plank, shift it back to down dog. Take a deep full in breath. Stay for the exhale. Inhale the right knee long, option to bend the knees, stack the hips. And then with control, gently stepping that right foot forward, dropping the back knee down. Inhale, lifting up into low lunge. Know you can always use your blocks here too in your low lunge. Lots of options. Breath is deep. And then exhale, planting the palms down. You're gonna plant the left palm either to the block or the mat. Reach those right fingertips towards the ceiling. Good for your spine and your hips. And then exhale, bring that right palm to the inside of your right foot. Hug the knee into your upper arm first, and then option to roll to that knife edge of the foot. So we're in a high lizard lunge. You can always just be static, or you can add some movement here. Again, if you need to plant the foot to the mat and just draw some circles with the knee, you can do that. Moving at a pace that feels comfortable. If this hurts your grounded left knee, know you can always put a folded blanket underneath that back knee. You're going to plant the foot down. Tuck your left toes. Lift that knee up. Step that right leg back to plank. You can always have your knees grounded to down dog. In your down dog, take a deep full in breath. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, lift that left leg long. Option to bend the knees, stack the hips. And then gently step forward. Drop that back knee down. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, plant the palms down. Left palm to the inside of the foot. Hug the knee in first. And then option to roll to that knife edge. So this time you can stay here or place your left palm on top of your thigh. Stack your shoulders. Maybe your gaze looks up. Planting your palms to the mat, plant the foot down, tuck that back toe, lift that back knee, step back to plank, then down dog. Inhale. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, the right leg long, bend the knees, stack the hips. And then gently step that foot forward. Drop that back knee down. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, plant the palms to the mat, right palm to the inside of the right foot. Hug the knee in, roll to the knife edge of that foot, and then maybe plant that right palm to the thigh, stack your shoulders. Maybe your gaze looks up. Always modify back. Plant your palms to the mat. Tuck your back toes, lift that back knee, step back to plank, and down dog. Taking a deep full in breath. Stay for the exhale. Bend into your knees. Look to the top of the mat. Walk or step between your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Coming to ragdoll. You can hug your thighs to your belly. Arms can be heavy or a bind. You can add movement or not. And then from here, we're going to slowly roll all the way up to Tadasana. So you're still in your ragdoll. Listen. You're going to begin to roll slowly. Go slow. Arms and head are heavy. Just imagine you're stacking your vertebrae on top of each other. Head is still heavy. Head is the last to lift. Gaze is soft. Breath is deep. Inhale, reaching the palms up into extended mountain. Interlace the fingers, make a pistol mudra. Exhale, reach to the right. Inhale through center. Exhale to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, cactus the arms, lift the breastbone up. Low back bend. Inhale to extended mountain. Exhale to a forward fold. Big bend in the knees, belly to thighs. Hug your thighs to your belly. Bend into the knees. Inhale, lifting up into a chair. Exhale, open arm twist it to the left. Inhale to chair. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale to chair to extended, and then exhale your palms to your heart center. Gaze is soft. Breath is deep and spacious. As you exhale, you let your shoulders melt away from the ears. Focusing on your exhale, softening, releasing. Breath is deep. The breath is spacious. The breath is smooth. The breath is easy. And the breath is continuous. Bowing your head. May there be peace in your thoughts. May there be peace in your words. May there be peace in your heart. And may you share that with all beings. Thank you so much for joining me with so much gratitude. Thank you for joining me. It was a pleasure as always. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I hope this video helped you with your hips and back.